Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of puzzles, but not just any puzzle. This is the Rubik's Impossible Cube. And let me tell you, the name isn't lying. This thing is insane. It's like the Rubik's Cube decided to go to the gym, get a PhD in quantum physics, and then come back to ruin my life. So, buckle up, because today we're going to see if I can solve this thing, or if it's going to break my brain forever. Cut to a quick montage of the host struggling with the cube, mixed with dramatic music and exaggerated facial expressions. What is the Rubik's Impossible Cube? The host holds up the cube and points to its unique features. Okay, so for those of you who don't know, the Rubik's Impossible Cube looks like a regular Rubik's Cube at first glance. But here's the twist, literally. The colors on this cube change depending on the angle you look at it. It's made with something called lenticular printing, which means the colors shift as you move it. So what looks like blue from one angle might be purple from another. Yeah, it's like the cube is gaslighting me. This means that solving it isn't just about matching colors. It's about matching colors from the right angle. And if you're even slightly off, it's game over. My brain is already hurting just thinking about it. All right, let's give this a shot. I've solved regular Rubik's Cubes before, so how hard can this be? Spoiler alert, very hard. At first, I thought I was making progress. I got one side done, and I was feeling pretty good about myself. But then I realized the colors didn't match from the other angle. So I had to start over, and over, and over. This cube is like a toxic relationship. Every time I think I've figured it out, it changes on me. Okay, let's take a break from my suffering and talk about how this cube actually works. The lenticular printing on the cube uses tiny lenses that refract light differently depending on the angle. That's why the colors seem to change. It's the same technology they use on those old 3D bookmarks or movie posters that move when you tilt them. Pretty cool, right? But also, why would you do this to a Rubik's Cube? Alright, I've been at this for hours, and I'm officially throwing in the towel. This cube has broken me. But before I give up completely, I'm going to call in some reinforcements. Don't worry, I've got this. How hard can it be? Turns out it's impossible for everyone. Who would have guessed? So, after all that, here's what I've learned. The Rubik's Impossible Cube is a masterpiece of engineering and a nightmare for anyone who values their sanity. It's fun, frustrating, and definitely lives up to its name. If you're looking for a challenge, go ahead and give it a try, but don't say I didn't warn you. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments if you've tried this cube, or if you've actually solved it. Because if you have, you're either a genius or a wizard. Either way, I'm impressed. See you next time.